need a last-minute Halloween costume, but you don't want to go as something stereotypical like a witch. So in this video, we'll have a tutorial how to dress like an Egyptian lady, an ancient Egyptian lady. So we'll teach you how to make a wesekh necklace and a dress, but you'll also need flip-flops, makeup and a wig. That's optional. And for all of you who don't know me, I'm Djura and I'm an archaeologist. For this video, I had help from my talented sister because I am completely useless in arts and crafts. So we have selected one wesekh, that characteristic Egyptian necklace that is synonym for the Egyptian fashion. It is large and loud and in ancient Egypt was the symbol of wealth. It was in style from the beginning to the end of the Egyptian civilization, but it is so iconic that it passed the test of time. It was made from multiple rows of tubular and teardrop-shaped beads from gold, carnelian, turquoise, lapis lazuli, faience, obsidian, glass, etc. Those wide, luxurious colors went over shoulders and were a true statement piece. And this is how to make one. The tutorial for the Egyptian necklace. Take a nylon thread, attach a clasp and start stacking on different sized beads. Then take a small safety pin and stack beads of different colors and shapes. Take all of those safety pins and stack them on the nylon thread with the beads separating each of the safety pins. Now, mirror the pattern you did at the beginning of the necklace. So use the exact same beads as before, the same shapes, the same sizes, and keep on stacking them until you get the exact same length. So both parts should be exactly the same. Then put the ball crimp and bead and the clasp. Now we move on to the second row. Pull a nylon thread through the other end of the safety pin and secure it with a ball crimp. Then stack different beads on the small safety pins. Choose the colors and shapes yourself. They can be of different colors or they can be the same colors but different hues. Do whatever you like. Now take those safety pins and start stacking them on the nylon thread with a bead that separates each of those safety pins. Now you continue this process until the end and then you secure the nylon thread with a crimp ball. Now connect the end parts of the safety pins with the nylon thread and make sure that you have some bigger beads to put between each of the safety pins. And then when you are done, you just secure the nylon thread with the ball crimp and that's it. Now dress. The easiest to make but still historically accurate is this dress from the New Kingdom. It is white, long and flowy dress with wide sleeves and belt that is wrapped below the breasts. And this is how to make one. Take a white fabric, now fold it in half to get the length of your body, the length of the dress. Now you take pins and you pin the sides of the fabric so nothing would budge and the sides wouldn't be uneven in front and in the back. Now fold the fabric in half again. This will be the half of the width of the dress. You pin it down and then you decide how big of a neckline you want so your head will go through this. Then you take these edges and you temporarily just fix them with needle and thread. Then you either do it by hand or you take a sewing machine and that's it. Shoes. If it's not too cold, leather flip-flops would be optimal, but hey, we can't control the weather. Here, you can opt for a wig just like the Egyptians. And if you want a wig, select a black one. You can decorate the wig or your hair with jewels like rings, or you can wear your hair straight, curly or make braids. It's up to you. And makeup. Paint your eyebrows black and draw a discreet or dramatic eyeliner, just like this. And this is the final look. It's pretty simple, but still it's effective and you are not a witch like every other person. Write down in the comments if you want to see more of these types of tutorials about fashion or anything in the past. And you know what to do. Help us get monetized, so like, subscribe, share, send to all. And and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!